you looking for a fast and easy way to book VINAGO Hills tickets in 2026 at the right price? Do you want to make sure your tickets are official, safe, and with no hidden fees? And don't want to miss the latest 2026 VINAGO Hills ticket prices and special offers? In this video, VINAGO will guide you through a simple step-by-step way to book VINAGO Hills tickets for 2026. With transparent pricing and a clear process, so you can relax and fully enjoy your VINAGO Hills experience. VINAGO, a trusted travel company in Da Nang, is the official distributor of VINAGO Hills tickets, offering great prices and safe service for all travelers. Step 1. Visit the website, vinaticket.vn with the title, VINAGO Hills ticket prices. Step 2. Select the correct information for yourself, local resident or visitor from another province, age group, and ticket type. Step 3. Fill in the personal details of the ticket user, full name, address, phone number, ID, passport, etc. Note: be sure to select the correct departure date so that your ticket remains valid. Step 4. Double-check your personal information. Agree to the website's terms, and click Buy Now. Step 5. Choose your payment method. Complete the payment, and receive your ticket as a QR code from VINAGO. VINAGO Hills Ticket Policy 2026 Quick and Easy Guide, by VINAGO. Starting in 2026, one ticket lets you enjoy VINAGO Hills for 3 consecutive days. During these 3 days, you can use the cable car unlimited times. The 3-day period starts from the first Face ID scan when you enter the cable car. Combo cable car plus lunch buffet. Cable car, unlimited rides for 3 days. Lunch buffet, valid for one time only. VINAGO by night combo. Cable car, unlimited rides for 3 days. Applies for entry after 3 p.m. Face ID system. Face ID is a facial recognition system that allows fast and secure entry. After the first scan, no ticket is needed for later entries. Tickets are non-transferable after Face ID activation. The 2026 policy gives you more flexibility, better experiences, and greater convenience during your visit to VINAGO Hills. Ticket pricing by age and height. Adults, height over 1.40 meters. Children, height from 1.00 meters to 1.40 meters. Seniors, over 70 years old, born in 1957 or earlier. Promotion period, VINAGO Hills, latest 2026 rates, from January 1st, 2026 to December 31st, 2026. Below is the latest VINAGO Hills ticket price list for 2026. There may be upcoming promotions or special offers from VINAGO Hills in the near future. To receive the most up-to-date and accurate ticket information, please contact VINAGO via our hotline or visit vinaticket.vn for detailed updates. For more details, please contact VINAGO, visit our website at vinago.com.vn, or call our hotline 0898.888 404 for consultation.